Welcome to Nyife. In this guide, you will learn how to add team members, assign permissions, and manage their access in your Nyife organization. Nyife provides two ways to add a team member. You can create the team account directly and share the login details or send an invitation by email so the member can complete the setup. Before adding a team member, sign in using an organization administrator account, confirm that at least one seat is available, prepare the member details, and decide which Nyife resources they need. Every active member or pending invitation may use a seat. From the left navigation menu, click Team Members. The page shows active members, pending invitations, available seats, and the two options, Invite by email and Create Team Account. Click Create Team Account. Enter the team member's first name, last name, valid email address, and role title. Create a strong temporary password with at least 8 characters, uppercase and lowercase letters, 1 number, and 1 special character. Share temporary passwords only through a secure private channel. Never place passwords in public messages, shared documents, or user guide screenshots. Assign permissions carefully. All grants every available action. Create allows new items, read allows viewing, update allows editing, and delete allows removal. Select only the permissions the member actually needs. Permissions can be assigned separately for dashboard, contacts, templates, flows, campaigns, emails, automations, chat, agent, wallet, support, analytics, and settings. Use Select All carefully and follow the principle of least access. After reviewing the details and permissions, click Create Account. Securely share the login details. The member signs in using their own email and password and can use only the resources and actions assigned by the administrator. To use the email method, click Invite by email. Enter the member's correct name, email address, and role title. Assign the required permissions, review the form, and click Send Invitation. The member should check the invited email inbox. Open the Nyife invitation link and follow the instructions to complete the account setup. If the email is missing, check spam, promotions, or junk folders and confirm the address is correct. Regularly review active members, pending invitations, and available seats. Remove unused invitations, update permissions when responsibilities change, and remove access promptly when a member leaves the organization. If Create Team Account is unavailable, confirm administrator access and an available seat. If a member cannot see a module, review permissions and grant the required action. For missing invitations, verify the email address and check spam, promotions, or junk folders. You have successfully completed the Nyife team member setup process. Use separate accounts, assign permissions according to job responsibilities.